Hello everybody, welcome to another video. My name is Infiniti and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the Italian cast on. It is not really complicated, but there are some extra steps involved with it, but the end result is this nice seamless looking edge here at the bottom of my swatch, and it is super stretchy. It is meant specifically for 1x1 ribbing, and I find it to be very helpful in those patterns. So without further ado, let's jump into this tutorial. So for this cast on, I like to have at least twice the amount of yarn that I would normally need for a regular cast on. And I'm just going to pick up my yarn here like a slingshot across my index finger and my thumb. Okay, and what I'm going to do is place my needle across the center part of it. I am going to point my needle down, twist, and come up to form a loop. Now alternatively, you could start this off with a slip knot. I just didn't. Okay, what we're going to do then is we are going to come over this strand that is across our index finger, under both, up on the other side where the strand lays over our thumb. We are then going to dip our needle in the center and come up. Okay? Then we are going to turn our needle, come under the strand across our thumb, up through the middle, and we're going to loop that yarn that's running across our index finger and come up. Alright, and now we've just made our first 2 stitches, and we have our initial cast on stitch, which does count for a total of 3 stitches on our needle. Alright, so we're going to run through that again. We are going to go around this yarn that runs over our index finger, go underneath both strands and come up, point our needle down and come underneath that strand on our index finger. We now have another cast on. And again, we're going to come under the strand that's on our thumb, come up through the center, and come over here and loop the yarn that's on our index finger. Alright, and you would continue to do that for the desired width of your project. And as you can see, or start to see here, you're starting to get these cast-ons that look like knit and purl stitches. So this is an excellent cast-on to guide your basic rib stitch patterns. Alright, now I'm going to start this process over and run it in slow motion. Once you get your desired amount of stitches, what you're going to do is you are going to reposition your fingers as though to do a long tail cast on. If you're unfamiliar with the long tail cast on, I have a full list of beginner tutorials back on my channel. What you're going to do is you're going to come underneath this outer strand around our thumb, insert your needle in the center, yarn over, grab the yarn coming over your index finger, and pull through. And this finalizes, your row of cast on stitches and ensures that they don't come off. It's usually called a hitch. I hope today's video was helpful for you guys. If so, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on awesome weekly content. I usually post knitting tutorials on Wednesdays at 9:30 a.m. CST. Don't forget to check out my Instagram page where I post all my whips and project pattern updates. You don't want to miss out on that. And you can also head over to my website and sign up for my newsletter so you don't miss out on those monthly updates. And until next time, guys, happy making.